ตรงนี้ใช่ไหมคะ
ใช่
อ๋อจริงเหรอโอ้แต่ยังไม่ได้ไปเที่ยวที่กรุงเทพใช่ไหมจริงเหรอไม่เที่ยวเลยเหรอทำไมอ่ะไม่มีเวลานะ
ไม่มีเวลากับ
ไปกรุงเทพทำไม
ไปบางคนไปทำวีซ่าไปลาว
ต้องวีซ่าไปตามลาวอ๋อโอ้โอ้ my god ano ba yan? Yan, so guys, yung binili namin. Hi guys, so andito kami ngayon sa mismong Phuket Bus Terminal 2 with my friendship, Christian. Yan, Christian Laanta. Ulatad.
Wala kami Bangkok.
Wala kami Bangkok natan. Yan. So kakasalo yung ticket ni. So Manina.
Yung project ko, bibili na ng
ticket. So we are going to Bangkok today. Pamantawเลยนะเงินคน
715
ไม่ใช่เป็นพิเศษใช่ไหมธรรมดานะนั่งสบายนะ
นั่งสบายค่ะ
มีอะไรบ้างมีอาหารไหมมีด้วยนะ
มีเหมือนเบียร์
ทั้งหมดเท่าไหร่นะคะ1,400
Ay pa yung dalang gamot.
Ang gamot yan. Niriyan na. So kabibili lang Pangasinan. So kabibili lang namin ng aming ticket. Hindi na siya VIP kasi kailangan budget wise muna kami ng friendship ko, di ba? So yun, nakabili na kami ng dalawang ticket and then aalis kami ng 6 PM. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is magcha-charge muna tayo. Umupo muna tayo. Yan.
Magkano ng internet?
Oo nga.
Withdraw muna ako sa dito.
Saan? Walang withdrawal dito. No problem. Dito ka muna.
Ihi muna ako.
Oo nga, umihi ka muna. Yes, dito. Yan, so yan guys, dito kami ngayon sa mismong... ilagay mo yung bag mo dyan. Sa Terminal 2. Yan, Phuket Bus Terminal 2. So actually na-vlog ko na to guys. Yan, so yan, sa previous vlog ko dito sa Facebook page pa sa YouTube. Yan, check out nyo na lang guys. So yan, ito yung itsura ng Bus Terminal 2. Yan guys. So guys, bali napaaga yung dating namin ni Christian. Christian, ang oras na? 2 o'clock. So may almost 4 hours pa kayo maghihintay kasi ang alis ng bus ng Phuket to Bangkok is 6 PM. Tampa. Yeah, so 6 PM. So yan, naghihintay muna kami ni Christian. Charge muna tayo. So yan guys, iikot ko muna kayo ngayon dito sa mismong Phuket Bus Terminal 2. Yan, so ito yung bus ng Ranong. Yan, Ranong to Phuket. Ito naman, ewan kung anong may van siya na Konsitama to Phuket. Ayun din naman yung ibang bus going to other province ng Thailand. Ayan siya guys. So, Hat Yai, Nakhon Si Thongyai, Khao Phanum. Yan, ito yung bintahan ng guys, ng mga snacks. Tapos doon yung area ng ng comfort room guys. Yan. So medyo malaki din tong terminal to guys. Terminal ng Phuket. Yan guys. Yung mga bus din, hawig-hawig sa bus ng ng Pinas. So medyo mahaba-haba yung oras ng paghihintay namin ni Christian. So ayan, ang daming mga pasaheros na naghihintay ng bus. Ewan kung saan sila babiyahe. Mga iba-ibang province yan ng Thailand. Ayan, dito naman yung labas. Ayan, ito yung itsura talaga ng terminal, bus terminal ng Phuket. Bali dalawa kasi yung terminal dito, bus terminal dito sa Phuket. May bus terminal 1 dun sa mismong Phuket town area, malapit sa Phuket town area. Pero ito kasi terminal 2 guys to. So ang alam ko kasi dito yung platform ng Bangkok. Dito usually nagpa-park yung mga bus ng mga passengers going to Bangkok diyan sa area na yan guys. Ticket. Yan. Nandiyan na yung kung saan yung seat number mo at saka kung anong mo, platform, terminal number mo guys. Ayan siya. Yan. Yan yung bilihan ng mga snacks. Meron din silang mga Thai restaurant. Yan si ate. Yan. So, Christian, first time mo talaga dito sa Bangkok na?
Dati nakapunta pero
Via plane?
hindi. Bus din dati nung bagong dating pa
จริง
kami.
เหรอ อ๋อ
Pero hindi ko pa
ไปรถบัสอ่ะ ตรงนี้ใช่ไหมคะ
ใช่
อ๋อ จริงเหรอ โอ้แต่ยังไม่ได้ไปเที่ยวที่กรุง
ไม่
เทพ
เที่
ใช่
ยว
ไหม
เลย
จริงเหรอไม่เที่ยวเลยเหรอ
ไม่เที่ยว
ทำไมอ่ะ ไม่มีเวลานะ
ไม่มีเวลากับ
ไปกรุงเทพทำไม
ไปบางคนไปทำวีซ่าไป
Ah,
ลาว
tawag visa pa tayo naman. Oh, first time daw niyang pumunta ng Bangkok na gagala lang. Tapos pupunta ng embassy, si Christian. Yan, so yan, igagala natin si Christian ng bonggang-bongga bukas after namin kumuha ng invitation letter sa Philippine Embassy. So guys, dahil mahaba-haba ang ating ang oras ng paghihintay ng aming bus. Yan, so ito munang ipopost ko guys. Yan, so this is the part 1 of our trip to going to Bangkok with Christian. Yeah, part 1. Yan, going to Bangkok special guys. From Phuket to Bangkok. So, yan, abangan nyo mamaya ang aming next part ng aking vlog. Yun yung ipapakita namin kung anong itsura ng bus na sasakyan namin going to Bangkok. Kung anong klaseng bus anong klaseng meron ang Thailand na bus. Yan, so ipapakita din namin, itutur ko kayo kung anong laman ng loob ng bus dito sa Thailand. Yan, so yan, kita-kits later and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Bye! See you later!